હેલો નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મિત્રો ધોરણ 9 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ નીટ નંબર 7. મિત્રો આપણે જેની અંદર રાઇટિંગ જોવાના છીએ. આપણને રાઇટિંગ W1 થી W4 સુધી આપેલો છે. સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન કરીશું તે પહેલાં ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દેશો. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. તો મિત્રો જેની અંદર આપણને W1માં fill up the blanks in this letter using the appropriate alternative from those given in the bracket. અહીં જે નીચે લેટર આપેલો છે તેની અંદર ફિલ ઇન બ્લેન્ક્સ એટલે કે જે ખાલી જગ્યા આપેલો છે તેને આપણે પૂર્ણ કરવાની રહેશે. તો આ પ્રમાણે જેને આપણે જોઈએ તો સૌપ્રથમ લેટરની અંદર એડ્રેસ છે, જેમાં નામ છે સ્પાન્ડન 34 પ્રગતિ રેસિડેન્સી પાલનપુર 385001. તો ત્યારબાદ ડેટ છે 9 જાન્યુઆરી 2016. તો મિત્રો આપણને જે છે સંપૂર્ણ અહીં જે આપેલો છે તે પહેલાં રીડ કરતા જઈએ અને તેને સંપૂર્ણ પૂરું કરતા જઈશું. જેમાં છે આઈ ગોટ યોર લેટર બાય ધ મોર્નિંગ પોસ્ટ ટુડે. યુ હેવ રાઇટન અબાઉટ માય નોટ રિપ્લાઇંગ ફોર અ લોંગ ટાઈમ. યસ યુ આર રાઇટ ઇન ગઝિંગ ધ રીઝન. આઈ એમ ફેસિંગ સમ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ મોર ઓવરઓલ. ત્યારબાદ અહીં લખીશું આઈ ડીડ નોટ નાવ હાઉ ટુ share and with whom to share. But ultimately I have decided to share those confusion with you because you have been my greatest friend, philosopher and guide in addition to being a great sweet sister. The first and most important problem faced by me is to decide whether I am kind of a grown up person. You know, I turned 14 this month. Yesterday only when I was playing with my puppy and chasing it, Mummy told me, you are too old to play with puppies. You are grown up man now. The same evening while our parents were discussing about your marriage, I suggested something. Mom told me cookingly that I was too young to give my any suggestions. Now, how it is possible that because too young in the evening? I also got pimples on my face. That's really clean. Please suggest which cream to use. I also feel some change as well going on in my body. I am very much confused. I am also much worried about my studies because next year I will be in SSC board. Rest is okay. Please write back to me as soon as possible. Our parents are fit and fine. Regards your lovingly brother Spandan. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ W2 છે. સપોઝ યુ આર ખાની દીદી write a letter to Spandan in reply to the above letter. Make sure to follow the format and points mentioned by Spandan. તો અહીં જે આપણને લેટર આપેલો છે એ મિત્રો તમારે લખવાનો થશે. તો જેની અંદર એડ્રેસ છે રૂમ નંબર 12 લેડીઝ હોસ્ટેલ LD એન્જિનિયરિંગ કોલેજ અહેમદાબાદ 380009 12th January 2016. Dear Spandan, I received your letter yesterday, but since I was busy with my assignment, I could not reply yesterday. You say I am your best friend, philosopher and guide. Then why did you hesitate to share your problem with me? I can understand what you are going through. Even I faced the same problem when I was your age. Your first problem, are you a kind of grown up? Well, my brother, you are kind who is growing up fast, and so you are facing all the problem that all teenagers face. Maybe you are too old to play with puppies, but you are too young to give suggestion to elders. Remember, to parents, children never grow up. They always remain children. Yes, but they do expect to You to talk and behave like grown up as far as your pimples are concerned. Would suggest you to skin a specialist. Do not apply any cream just like that. Advertisements are misleading. This please do not worry about your board exam. It is not that difficult. If you follow a timetable and study regularly, it's easy and any other exam. But please do not ignore your hobbies and sports. Enjoy yourself and everything will be fine. Give me love to our parents and keep on writing to me. No lovingly, your lovingly sister Khevana. ત્યારબાદ આગળ જેની અંદર W3 report this dialogue to your friend. તો તેની અંદર મિત્રો આપણને જે છે સૌપ્રથમ થોડો જે ડાયલોગ છે પૂર્ણ કરેલા છે, ત્યારબાદ અહીંથી આપણે લખવાનો થશે. કદાચ તમારે જે છે મોસ્કોટાઇટો જે 1 છે અથવા 2 છે ત્યાંથી આપણે લખવાનું થશે. તો આપણે 1 થી જ લખીએ. Told Mosquito to why he had not gone the previous night. Mosquito to enjoy yourself. I have debates Kiran yesterday. I heard two mosquitoes talking to each other. Mosquito 1 asked Mosquito 2 why he had not come the previous night. Mosquito 2 replied that he had a fast. Mosquito 1 suggested that the attack that lady that day. Mosquito asked him why. Mosquito 1 replied that her blood was very sweet. Mosquito 1 said that he would not have her blood. Mosquito 1 told him not to miss the chance. Mosquito warned Mosquito 1 to enjoy himself and added that he had debates. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ છે W4 જેની અંદર you had copied in an annual examination. You close friend complained about this your father yesterday. That what happened. Write about this day and event in your diary. Date से 12 July 2016. Dear diary. Yesterday my best friend Harish complained to my father that I had copy in the annual examination. How could he this? When I reached home from school, father was waiting for me. He was very angry. He scolded me. He once threatened to send me to hostel if I did not improve my behavior. I tried to tell father that I cannot concentrate in my study. I do not understand anything in my subject. Cheated only because I did not want I to fail. But he was not ready to listen to me. I will talk to mother tomorrow. Now she understands me. She will listen to me and help me. મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે સંપૂર્ણ યુનિટનું અહીં સોલ્યુશન કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. હવે આગળના યુનિટ અને અન્ય વિષયના જે તમારા સોલ્યુશન છે તમામની લિંક આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં મળી જશે, તેથી તમે જોઈ લેશો. આ વિડીયો તમારા મિત્રોને શેર કરશો.